whenever I flip it open and fold it shut. And now it can do more without even opening it too.
That's thanks to the new customizable cover screen. It's 4 times larger than on the previous Flip.
It displays long messages, shows the weather, and lets you control the music player. But wait for what the camera can do. In flex mode, it's like having a tripod. Perfect for selfies with no shakes.
Gorgeous.
Like always, I can preview the shot here.
And I can preview on the cover screen too. It's just like a mirror.
That's dual preview. Quick Shot lets me take videos and selfies.
12 megapixel selfies with image stabilization and AI face restoration.
For really awkward angles, just flip to flex mode and toggle between both halves of the display.
Delicious shots every time. Super easy.
Okay, I've got to show you something. Love this screen.
That's because it's a super smooth 120Hz AMOLED display.
Here it is. Sounds like we're back there.
Those are dual speakers with detailed Dolby Atmos sound. Okay, now let's talk durability. Beautifully crafted Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Flip 3 are designed for strength from the inside out. Outside, they're guarded by scratch-resistant Gorilla Glass Victus, Samsung's toughest glass. Inside, they're layered with an ultra-thin glass and a new protective film. Built from aircraft-grade armor aluminum, these are Samsung's strongest frames yet. And to top it all, these are the world's first water-resistant foldable smartphones, scoring an IPX8 rating.
Capture those shots, pop it in your pocket. It unfolds a new world of expression.
Say hello to the Motorola Razr, a modern flip phone that fits seamlessly into your life. We completely rethought the mechanical and industrial design to transform the user experience. Here are some of the numbers behind the new Razr's impeccable craftsmanship. Let's start with the zero gap hinge, which allows Razr to close so tightly you can't even slide a piece of paper through it. We custom built a folding mechanism that could protect the display while also allowing it to flex. If you flip the Razr open 100 times a day, every day, it would take more than 5 years to reach the baseline of our rigorous nonstop flip test. That's 200,000 flips. We built Razr with 2 high-resolution touchscreens that work perfectly together. When closed, the external display features a robust and unique user interface, so it's easy to stay connected. And when you open Razr, whatever you're doing seamlessly transitions to the larger display that has all the capabilities of a smartphone. At just 85 cubic centimeters, Razr is as compact as a deck of playing cards. Yet it features 4 antennas dedicated to 5G, a huge 48 megapixel camera sensor, a battery that lasts all day, and more. Packing so much capability into such a compact space is the result of years innovating with foldable technology. We've filed over 100 patents for the Razr, from the dynamic hinge system, advanced mechanical designs, to wireless network technologies, and even the new software for the dual screen experience. With its breakthrough engineering and design, the Razr delivers a totally new and unique experience, completely changing the way we use smartphones.
Closer to the way I see you now, and I never wanna see you frown. When I'm asking you to come with me, just to see what we can see. Closer to a loving mind, love you till the end of time, the end of time.
Across the industry, people have come to expect reliable water resistance from their smartphones. So naturally, it was also expected on our Fold. But making the Fold water resistant wasn't easy. Unlike bar-type smartphones, the Fold is made of 3 parts, 2 bodies and a hinge. The bodies can be protected from water using the same method as a standard smartphone, but protecting the hinge was a unique challenge. Every time the Fold is opened or closed, water can seep in and cause damage. Our designers and engineers used corrosion-resistant material finished with long-lasting grease to protect the hinge from rusting or corroding. Then, to protect the main board from shorting out due to water, we used rubber and CIPG. These materials seal the gap between the connecting ends of the flexible printed circuit board, shielding critical parts that are vulnerable to water exposure.
Ah yes, with these solutions, our latest Galaxy Z series is water resistant. However,
Our Fold users wanted more.
an S Pen.
That would let them take full advantage of the Fold's spacious screen. But bringing the S Pen to the Z Fold 3 required some serious innovation. The S Pen experience actually starts with the display. The digitizer inside the display works with the S Pen to create EMR, or electromagnetic resonance, which detects the coordinates of what you're writing or drawing and shows it on screen. EMR S Pen technology for hard displays has been around for more than 10 years. But positioning a digitizer under a flexible screen posed an entirely new challenge, as it could be damaged from folding and unfolding over time. Our developers researched and experimented for years to create a digitizer for the Fold, building prototype after prototype. But it wasn't easy. To create a truly exceptional Fold and S Pen experience, our developers needed to think outside the box. Finally, we came up with a revolutionary solution. Instead of looking for a way to increase the flexibility of the folding area of the digitizer, our developers decided to use separate digitizers on each side of the folding area. Working together with Wacom, we developed a way to connect 2 separate digitizers so that they operate as a single panel. To To support this new form, a new algorithm was created to calculate signals from both digitizers, so they could recognize coordinates in the folding area while minimizing errors. Through meticulous craftsmanship and research, we were able to create the first ever digitizer for a foldable display, compatible with an S Pen. But the digitizer is only half the story. We needed to develop an S Pen that is safe to use with our flexible display. The S Pen Fold Edition is designed with a new rubber nib that's rounded and soft to the touch. We also added an internal spring to act as a shock absorber, automatically reacting to pen pressure. So it smooths and softens any excessive pressure on the tip of the pen. We also increased the display's responsiveness to the S Pen by 40% to give consumers a smooth and steady handwriting experience. Consumers can work and play in all new ways, thanks to the S Pen for the Galaxy Z Fold 3, like taking notes while watching a video or writing in your diary. We also partnered with Microsoft to make it easier to collaborate on projects with classmates and colleagues. In Microsoft Teams, users can enjoy video calls and share documents easily. And now, with the virtual whiteboard designed for the Fold and the S Pen, they can brainstorm, share, and develop ideas. The drive and dedication of Samsung's engineers make these enhancements to the foldable experience possible. And our community of consumers keeps the experience evolving.